Good morning, good morning. Okay, well, it's actually kind of late because I woke up late. But anyway, so I already had my coffee. And now I'm going to have a little breakfast. I'm having this Kashi Organic Island Vanilla cereal. I'm going to chop up some banana in there and have some lactose-free milk, girl. I have some cleaning I need to do today. Garbage that needs to go in the garbage ASAP. I have a lot of paparazzi packages that need to be packed up and sent off, and yeah, I'm about to get my little day started. I want you all to gaze upon the beauty that is in my vacuum. Bird food, bird feathers, cat hair, and you wonder why I vacuum every day, because this is every day, okay? So now I'm fixing to start packing up some of this stuff. I'm gonna get Alan to help me because it is a lot to tackle all at once. This is what the birds do when we're trying to work. It's very frustrating and very loud. And now Alan's helping. So he's gonna be packaging some of this stuff up for me, writing the names down on the envelopes and packing it up. Would y'all believe I totally forgot that I was doing a day in the life today? Yeah, I did. I feel crazy. I had a lot of stuff to do earlier with the labels and the packing the stuff. We had to take it to the post office. I also edited a video which I posted today, which was what we did on Easter. But now I'm fixing to season up some meats and we're getting back on the grill. Tonight we're gonna be doing burger patties, onions, bell peppers, pork chop, and chicken. We're making a lot of meat for just me and Alan, but girl, it's gonna be good. So I'm just getting me a baking pan out. So I'm gonna put all of my meat on there. Let's get started. So you already know what seasonings I'm gonna be using because I use them for everything. But yeah, so salt and pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. That's pretty much what I use on everything that you could think of because it's the best combination ever. If you don't do it, you should. I'm gonna season both sides. I'm just doing the chicken cutlets right now. Okay, so we have one pork chop here, and what I like to do with things like pork chops is use a tenderizer. This is the Adolph's tenderizer, original, unseasoned, and pretty much what you do, or what I do, you sprinkle a generous amount on each side of the pork chop. And you don't use salt because there's already salt in this mixture. So for thinner cut meats, you're good to go, but for thicker cuts like this, you should wait a little bit. It says 30 minutes, but we'll see. So I'm gonna put that, and then I'm gonna season with my onion powder and garlic powder, but no salt. I also like to stab the pork chop a little bit after I use the seasonings. I'm sure somebody out there is gonna tell me, you're not supposed to do that, but watch me do it. So now I'm going to cut up my orange bell pepper and my onion, and we're gonna be putting this in some tin foil with the hamburger meat that I forgot to season. So yeah, looks like I'm doing pretty good. And I'm just gonna get the chopping, girl. I'm just chopping it up in thin slivers. Might as well get me a bowl out. Ooh. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Alan is preparing the grill outside on the back of the truck again. We actually cooked, what did we do yesterday? Oh no, yesterday we had Taco Bell. But a few days ago, we grilled again. We made some chicken and burgers with the onions and bell peppers again, and some neighbors came over and joined us, so that was pretty fun. Had some more friends over, and they ate the food, and I was actually feeling self-conscious because I was like, I don't know if the food tastes good tonight, and they were like, no, this is delicious. So that made me feel good. So after I get done cutting up the onion and the bell pepper, I'll show you what I'm gonna be doing. Alan actually told me about this the other day. I never made it before, but he told me about it. I think he said he had made it with his dad before. I forget what he called it, but yeah. It's a new thing for me, but it turned out pretty good. All right, done with the bell peppers, and we're gonna chop up this yellow onion now. Am I the only one who hates peeling an onion? It actually works my nerves. So we got some waters and Cokes and some large trash bags at Walmart, and we got some move-in boxes and some move-in tape so we can start packing up. I don't know if a lot of you watched the live the other day, but we did talk about that we were going to be moving to a different apartment. Same location, you know, same town and all that, but just a different apartment complex. To be change of scenery and all that fun stuff, but packing is going to be happening soon. I'm not looking forward to that at all. I hate packing. It's going to be super stressful, but I guess it's a good thing. I'm not really a fan of changes, but we'll see how it goes. Wow, so this yellow onion is not as strong as the white onions. Woo! And white onions kill me. I mean, this one's kind of bothering my eyes just a little bit as I'm getting to the center, but not as bad as the white ones. We got these burger patties from Walmart. They are pre-formed and all that, which is good. And I'm gonna season them up, put them in the tin foil, and it's gonna be yummy. What I'm doing with the tin foil, I'm actually making like a, not a bowl, but like a little holder. I forget what you call it. Basically, you just kind of roll your sides up. Kind of make it like a little plate. I have to season my meats really quick, so I got these two patties. I'm gonna stick them in the tin foil. And then what I'm gonna do is take my onions and bell peppers. Realizing we have too much food, but it's all good. Looks like I'm gonna add just a little bit of salt on top and pepper, and then we're good to go. Things looking good and ready. And now I just have to clean up my mess. All right, so we just got the food out on the grill. This is what it's looking like. Pork chop, chicken, and what'd you call that again, babe?
Burger and armor.
Burger and armor. All right then. It's gonna be delicious. How you feeling about this mixture?
Pretty good.
Everything. Chicken, pork chops, burger.
Yeah. It's a trifecta.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You look really good in this lighting. Just wanted to see if I would look really good in this lighting, but turns out, I don't. These roots are growing in though, I noticed that. 5 minutes in and Alan's already checking to see if it's done. Kisses! All right, y'all, so this is happening, okay. Alan wanted some extra garlic. You know him with his garlic. So we're gonna squeeze some in the Burger and Armor, just to let it cook in there a little bit. You're gonna be all garliced out for the rest of the night. Looking good. All right, so here's the food finished. We got the pork chop chicken. We got the Burger and Armor with the garlic. You can see it. Ooh, it looks so good. This is Alan. He's waiting for his noodles to get done because we're also making buttered noodles. So I'm boiling my noodles. I'm waiting for them to get done. Just a few more seconds, and then I'm gonna show you how I make my garlic butter noodles, which is really easy. So tonight we're using small shells. I don't have a strainer. I just use the lid on my pot, but it works out. Sometimes I lose a noodle or two. Sometimes I burn myself. It happens.
You gotta lose a noodle or two.
You gotta lose a noodle or two. Alright, so pretty much all I do, you can see me, right? Alright, so get some butter. More butter, the better. As much butter as you want, but seriously, the more butter, the better. And then you just salt, pepper, then you add your garlic powder.
Looking.
And depending on how much garlic powder you want, you kind of just taste as you go. I'm gonna put a little bit more because I... Stop! I'm gonna put a little bit more because I know I didn't add that much. What is she doing? The cat is over here like...
Cat's crazy.
Like it's fixing to...
The cat's done lost its mind.
No, it's like an exorcist head. It's
Yeah,
gonna
it's
twist
lost
its whole
mind.
head around.
The cat's...
All right, so these are done. Delish. And Alan always likes the extra pepper, so I'm gonna put it over here. This food smells
You don't have a plate?
good. I just have a little plate. I'm gonna put a little bit of the butter noodles. Do you want to put some on your plate?
Yeah.
A chicken, and then we'll split the pork chop, and I want a hamburger patty also. What are you doing?
I'm split in half.
I don't know, that's good.
This?
Give me the smallest piece. Mm-hmm.
Gonna get more ardent now, right?
Yeah. Mmm. Pork chop is so good.
Is it
Super tender. Mmm.
juicy?
Mmm. Don't worry about that, I'll grab it.
I'm getting it for you. For you.
He's so good, send me girl. Eat all this food, take it out, enjoy it. Mm-hmm. It is delicious.
Yeah, so good. Mmm. I'm glad the peppers and onion.
Are they good? I haven't tried them yet.
Mm-hmm.
My place is so bad right now, you guys. We have thrown away so much stuff. It's ridiculous. This is a big bag of garbage. I'm trying to downsize everything. Hey, cat. And then I'm donating a lot, so it's giving me a lot of anxiety. So yesterday I got these 2 new Teamy items in. Aside from the detox and the bloom tea, I've been dying to try these 2. This is a new one. They actually sold out really early and then they re-released it and I got my hands on some. This is a beauty tea. It's supposed to be good for everything beauty related. It's jasmine infused. It's so cool. It's the butterfly tea. When you first brew it, it's actually blue. And then when you add lemon juice, it turns purple and it's so beautiful. So it's a magical tea. It's awesome. So glad I got that. And then I've been dying for this, the Teamy Matcha. I'm gonna be trying this today in a smoothie. Yeah, can't wait. So check out these 2 products if you haven't tried them yet. I'm gonna taste this, see how it goes. I'll let you know. And yeah, this stuff's amazing though. Place is a mess, but we're packing up. Pretty sad about it. This will probably be the last little vlog done up in this apartment. I'll miss you, little apartment. My boo thing working hard. Get it, boy. Taking the curtains down. And I decided, since this is also stressful, I would pamper myself in the middle of all of the stress. Kidding. I'm just putting this nose strip on to see if I could get any little blackheads out. The cats are into everything. They're so bad. They're bad. This girl is so fresh. Her don't do nothing. Her the best cat in the world. Her that's mama's girl. That's my baby girl. And I love her. And she precious. Cat pajamas. Wearing those cat pajamas. Okay. Taking a break. We just had some pizza. I'm waiting for Alan. He went into the office to get a package for me. Oh my god, I look like death, girl. Where is your eyebrows? Anyway, so I had a package delivered from UPS, but we wasn't here because I was dropping off stuff to be donated. And so they left it in the office and Alan just went to get it, and I'm waiting very impatiently, looking out the window a million times. Oh, hi, kitty. Hi, girl. What you doing? There he is. Okay, so when he went to get it the first time, it wasn't in the office, and then he just caught the mailman outside, so I got it. So this package is from Christina Holcomb. I'm excited. I look so ugly with no eyebrows. Oh, that's cute.
What?
Fueled by Jesus and coffee.
Ah.
Look at me! Fueled by Jesus and coffee. That is so cute. I'm wearing this tonight on my live. I love it so much, Christina, and it's so accurate. I actually am fueled by Jesus and coffee. Like, yes, that's the only way I can function. But I love it so much. I will cherish it forever, and I'm gonna wear it on the live tonight and surprise you. Ah! Oh, well, actually, you'll be seeing that before you see this video, but yes, I love it so much. Thank you. I appreciate it and love you, girl. Well, we didn't get too far yesterday with anything, and we got some serious business to do today. So I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Hope you liked it. Looking forward to new stuff in the future.